Hi there, thank you for the many likes and watching us again on CLD Programming YouTube channel. Today we will create an application with the C# console for your kids. They can see and view the tables of 10. Like you request in the program, you can choose tables from 1 to 10. An easy application special for beginner programmers, so your kids learn the basics of math and you are learning the basics of C#. Please don't forget to follow and subscribe on us on YouTube, Facebook and Twitter. This for future updates, for more learning to become an expert in C# programming. You will open Visual Studio. New project, console application, view tables, of 10. Okay, we're now in the coding area. We will ask the user what kind of table he wants to see. So console write line I want to view the math table of 1 to 10. Choose 1 to 10. Okay. Now you must put that and hold that in a double type. So double table convert to a double and get that in the tables type. So console read that line. Okay. Then next we will use a for integer I 0 I more than 11. So do I plus brackets open and close. Okay, for statement. The sum, you must put that in a double type also, so double sum I table so that's in the type double. The counter I string viewable I to string plus table to string. Okay, plus sum back to convert to string. All the types variable must be converted to string. any type you want. If you want to show it on the screen, you must convert it to a string. Okay. Console write line a string variable. Console write line. We must create some space. New line. Okay, now read line, console read line, so the application holds. Save it, compile it and run it. So we want to view the table of 1 to 10. Choose 1 to 10. We will choose 5. So there's a table. Just I want to create some space between choosing the table and the result of the table. So write line okay, save, run it again. We'll choose a table of 3. Okay, we get a table of 3. Perfect. Now we want that the user can check a new math table of another number. So we will put a loop in it. If wait a minute. We'll ask the user at first. Console write line. Do you want to view another math table? Choose yes or no. Okay. Perfect. Then we need the response of the user, so we will put it back in a string. String response of the user, and read the line of the console. Console read line. Okay. Now we have the question, do you want to view another math table? Yes or no. Then we'll read the response of the user. We can only get yes or no. So if response yes string, brackets open, close, a yes string, go to begin. Okay. Begin we will put at top. Okay. Then if the user puts something else, brackets open again, close, no. we need to hold the structure of the program. We will console point clear the screen, and give a thank you message to the user. Then console write line thank you, goodbye. Then back console read line to hold the console and wait. Okay. Change this to right. Yes. Okay, perfect. Compile and run it. There is a question. I want to view the math table of 1 to 10. Choose 1 to 10. We will choose 8. There's the table. Okay, enter. Do you want to view another math table? We'll put yes. Hola. Lowercase, uppercase, lowercase. Only uppers. If response, yes. I'm going to do something else. String response to uppers. So we get always an upper value, uppercase value, upper response. Okay. Do you want to view the math table 1 to 10? We'll put 9. So we got the table of 9. Do you want to view another math table? Yes. In lowercase. 1 to 10. We'll choose 2. We're going to change this and put here console and clear, so we see not the previous code. Okay, choose table of 2. You get the table of 2. You want another math table? Yes. Oh, perfect. 7. Okay. We're clear. Put that here. Okay. And change this to right. So we get the input directly with the question. Oh. Okay, perfect. We'll stop and put this away. So we get directly the question, do you want to view another mat table? Put this in common. Run it again. Table of 8. There's a table of 8, and we get directly the question, do you want to view another table? I will say yes in lowercase. Want to view the mat table 9 in uppercase. You want to view the mat table say 7. Yes. A table of 1. Yes. 10. Okay, perfect. Now we say no. Thank you. Goodbye. Thank you for watching us. Goodbye. Every month we hold a contest. The winner of that month will be shown in one of our lessons. You can win the contest just to subscribe on us and to like us on YouTube and Facebook. You can win a $25 that you can use on Amazon.com. Don't forget it.